Welcome to Elizabeth's Funhouse, everyone! Today is Dr. Panda Toto time.
Today we're visiting Bip's house!
Bip!
Let's go and see what Bip is up to today!
Yay!
Hey there, Bip! Have you got plans to go anywhere or see anyone today? Looks like Bip's pretty caught up in that game. Aren't you going to answer the door, Bip? Oh, it's Olette! Hi, Olette! I thought you'd be practicing for your basketball game tomorrow. Oh, I get it. You lent your basketball to Bip. Oh, look! It's already open. Are you all right, Olette? Bip, Olette just had an accident because your house is so untidy. And how are you going to find her basketball in all this mess? Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Olette? It's time for a big spring clean. Don't worry, Bip. We'll make it fun. Let's start with tidying away the toys in your living room. Can you help Bip find the toys that belong in his toy chest? Can you see his red racing car? Great! Now, can you spot the green dinosaur? Good job! Do you see the blue robot? Awesome! Now, can you spot the yellow tractor? Good job! Only one more toy to put away now. Can you find the purple princess? Great job, guys! Now all Bip's toys are tidied away. See, Bip? Tidying your house is like finding lost treasure. Hi, Olette! Have you found your basketball yet? Not to worry. If you and Bip keep cleaning up the house, it's sure to show up somewhere. Whoa there, Bip! That is one big garbage bag. Watch out! Uh-oh. Are you okay, Bip? You'd better pick up all that garbage before it blows away. What's that, Olette? Oh, look! This shows you how to recycle all your trash. Awesome! So, paper goes in the blue bin, plastic goes in the yellow bin, and glass goes in the green bin. Hey, Bip! Time for a new game! Let's pick up your trash and figure out which bin it should go in. Can you help Bip remember which bin he should use? An old newspaper. Okay, let's see. Which bin does paper go in? That's right! The blue bin is the bin for paper. Let's see. What's this bottle made of? Is it plastic or glass? That's definitely a plastic bottle. So, which bin does the plastic go into? Yep, you got it. The yellow bin is for plastic. Careful with that one, Bip. You don't want to play around with broken glass. It could be very sharp. Now, which bin was for glass? Yep, the green bin. That's the one for glass. Now all your garbage is in the right bins. Awesome job. Thanks for helping Bip out, guys. Be sure to check out the next episode to see if Bip finds Olette's basketball. Bye-bye!
I hope you all had fun today. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more fun from Elizabeth's Funhouse. Bye!